Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking a break from my chicken diet to try out another protein iced fish and we're going to be frying it, okay? So usually I don't really film this part of my videos because I will not admit that I have OCD, but you guys, if somebody washes their meat 5 times, they will wash their own 10 times. I don't know what it is. I'm just like so nitpicky. Like I will even I'll admit it. I'm so nitpicky when it comes to washing food items. So even if you do it for me, I might still come back and do it. And then if you're not used to it, you'll be offended. So most times I just tend to cook alone so that I can have peace. Except it's a large or like bulky cooking. Even at that, these days I realized that I've gotten quite used to cooking by myself and then just getting probably someone to help with clean up. But the cooking aspect just kind of calms me down. Oh yeah, strange because I know that I never planned to like cook. It just happened. Just turned out that my passions were just heading towards that area and see a lot of food YouTube videos. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for hitting like. Thank you for hitting watch every time I put up a link. I'm grateful. Okay. Thank you so much. So please share this video with your friends. Don't get tired. Please hit the subscribe button. It just gives me eternal joy, guys. When you subscribe, you won't even believe it. I do a dance literally when I come out when I see new subscribers. So thank you so much. It lets me know that I'm doing something. And your comments, your likes, your dislikes all are noted, okay? So as I said today, I'm going to be doing iced fish. As you can see, I'm already overdoing myself. But just leave me as you see me, take me as I am. I'm washing my iced fish. Iced fish has a lot. In fact, fish in general just has a lot of benefits. Prevents heart disease. I know it lowers risk of diabetes because I have a lot of clients who order fish, and then immunity as well. Omega 3 fatty acids, anti-inflammatory agents. You guys, I'm not a doctor. I just pick up these things. I just pick up these things randomly. I know that fish is also beneficial in preventing cancer, and some people say it helps them lose weight, but I mean, you gotta do things like portion control. Obviously, you don't just start eating all the fish you see in the world. But for me, you guys know I love fresh fish a lot. I just like fish. Fish can be baked, it can be pan fried, it can be grilled, it can be poached, and today we are frying our fish. All right, so I'm done washing. The next thing I'm going to do is just, I already washed with salt, but I'm just going to, because overdue, I'm going to sprinkle salt again and just wash this slightly before I pop this in the pot. And as I'm doing that, I'm already thinking of the spices I'm going to use. This fish likes garlic for some reason, so I'm going to use a lot of garlic. I'm using dry garlic, I'm using fresh garlic, fresh chopped garlic. I'm going to drop a few onions in there, and then I'm going to marinate this. And also because I need to step out a bit, so I'm going to spice this up, marinate it, and leave it in the fridge, and then come back to cook later. So lots of chopped garlic, and then I'm gonna add our dry spices now. I have our thyme, fresh rosemary, curry, what else is inside this? Just a mix. And fish spice as well, just a mix of seasoning. And then we're gonna add a few cubes of seasoning. I think I'm gonna use about 2 teaspoons, should be fine, because I'm still gonna do a sauce. All right, so this is done, and then I'm just going to lightly massage the spices to make sure that everybody gets some spice loving. Going to massage it lightly. The skin of this fish is going to be so sweet, guys, trust me. when you do this, and then okay, if you're going to, I'm not deep frying, but if you're going to deep fry this, the skin is going to be crisp and super tasty. But we're not deep frying. I'm back, and what I'm going to do now is just put this to a boil with lots of water, right? I'm not going to parboil this the way I do my chicken. I'm going to put this with a lot of water because I intend to use the sauce much later. So I've added a bowl of water, small bowl of water, just to make sure that the fish is covered. And I'm going to cook this on very high heat. Very high heat. It's been marinating, it's been soaking juices, just getting all loved up in spices. So I know it's going to be really nice. I'm not even going to bother to taste the stuff because that's how like used to spicing this fish I am. So what I'm going to do next is heat up our pan with vegetable oil and fry our fish. We are not deep frying today. I just want a light crisp on both sides for the fish. I actually didn't even plan to fry this. I didn't plan to do like a fried fish sauce, but I said later that since it was a bit soft, let's put a crisp on each side. So we're going to fry this low heat, shallow pan, little oil as opposed to deep frying. When I say little oil as opposed to deep frying, okay. So while our fish is frying on the other side, as I'm not here to waste time, we're going to start making our sauce. So our sauce is going right into this deep, rich spice mix. I'm not going to fry the pepper. I'm just going to pop in fresh pepper. You guys know I always blend my pepper and put in the freezer. So before I stepped out, I'd already left this out to defrost. So what I'm just going to do is turn this rich blend of pepper, onions, and garlic straight into the fish spice sauce, marinade sauce. I'm not frying it. I'm not going to do any of that. I'm just going to pop this and let this to boil, guys. You guys already know how I make my stews. I make my stews in different ways. Sometimes I fry before putting in the marinade sauce. Sometimes I do this. I think this is the first time I'm actually filming this process where I boil everything together and just let life be. So yes, I'm not frying that pepper today. We're just going to boil it in the fish sauce and let everything just cook and cook. And then don't forget your fish, especially if you are using high heat. I'm using low heat and I'm using a non-stick pan, so I can't really be bothered because I know that the fish is just frying at its own pace. You check on your pepper, make sure it's not sticking, do your turns, and make sure that everything is incorporating properly. And it's time to take out our fish. We have a crisp on each side. It's not deep fried, it's not like sharp crispy, it's just like mild crisp. Look at that, guys, look at that, just look at that. So yes, our stew is boiling down. If you can look at the edge of the pot, you can see that the water content has gone down significantly. The water content from the pepper, because I didn't fry it earlier, and then also the extra water I added when it was boiling, and also water from the marinade spice. So if you look properly like at the screen, you can see a difference between where I poured it to where it has boiled down to. And our pepper has boiled down to a point where I'm a bit satisfied. So I'm adding our remaining sauces, which are the spices I used earlier when I was marinating the fish. I'm just going to add a little bit of that because now we have lots of pepper and oil and so much more to deal with now. So I've added all my spices and I'm going to let this boil again. And because now it has oil, I have to turn it more frequently. And that's that. So I popped in my fish, and because the fish is not deep dry fried, I'm not going to over mix it. It's basically fresh fish, just that I put a crisp on each side. And then I'm going to just let this boil a little bit. As you can see, our stew is done. It looks so good, guys. Thank you so much for watching. My name is MDEVAAN. Have you hit the subscribe button? Because I know you enjoyed this video, like you stayed this long, and I'm sure you know that I have so much more on my channel. So yes, you are right, Yeah, the cool videos. Check them out. Let me know what you like. Leave a comment, leave a like, share to your friends. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Mwah!